Hey everyone, I have two fall masterminds. They begin September 10th and run through October 19th. The first one is how to declutter your life for peace of mind. We're going to examine clearing clutter in all areas of your life. The second mastermind is a back to school mastermind for school success. If you haven't been organized, struggling when the school year comes around, you'll want to check it out. Both masterminds include a multiple hour class in MP3 format, broken down into manageable lessons so you can go at your own pace and fit it in when you have time. A 40-day private Facebook support group where you'll be able to ask questions and get them answered and receive support. And my favorite, 2 90-minute group coaching sessions. We'll go into a little more depth in topics that are important to you. If you've been saying for years that you're going to get organized, you're going to clear your clutter, and it hasn't happened, it's time to take action. If you're ready to create the life you desire, I hope you'll join us. You can find out more information at the link below or at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. I hope you'll join us.